Good day, everyone. My name is Paul Bersabe, Education Technology graduate student at University of San Francisco. As you saw in the intro, a teacher's job goes beyond teaching. They have the weight of our future on their shoulders. Whether it's about our children, our siblings, or ourselves as students, teachers have an enduring and incontestable impact on our learning. And what we learn from them is exactly the tools we need to become ready for the world out there, whether we endeavor to become parents, professionals, technicians, entrepreneurs, educators, or other roles. As a prospective education technology professional, I aim to facilitate the learning experience between teachers and students. For this reason, excuse me, I created this series of videos to help English teachers grade essays by test driving available AI assistive technology. And AI is here to stay. Ever since ChatGPT was released for public use, it has been an arms race for companies of all sizes to leverage this technology. There used to be a saying, there's an app for that. Now it's, there's an AI for that. The first step that I took, aside from researching the problem statement, is to search for programs out there. Because I was in the trial and error phase, I found some of these programs did not actually match my search results. A few of them were programs to help write essays, not grade them. Some programs did not reveal any features unless I subscribed to the full program. So the ones I'm using are ClassX, Essay Grader, and CoGrader. So the test paper that I'm using is a 6th grade persuasive essay that I downloaded from this website, the Oakdale Joint Unified School District. So I picked 6th grade simply because they have a variety of essays that they've written or provided as samples. And the great thing about this is that, excuse me, each one is accompanied with a rubric and how they're graded and the final feedback. So what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, um, is compare and contrast the results of the AI with the teacher's feedback to see if there's any similarities between the two. To to give you an idea as to how accurate the AI programs are. So that's one of the criteria. The other ones that I'm using are other criteria: ease of use, scalability, feedback, and cost. So when deciding the program that you like, you should also consider other factors that align best with your class, curriculum, and educational programs, such as student data security or integration with other educational products. So for this test drive, it's going to be limited to what I can do because I'm using the free version. So some of these programs can integrate well with Google Classroom, Canvas, Moodle, or other LMS. So without further ado, I will get started with the first program, and that is ClassX. So ClassX has a very robust offering of AI products in its free version. So it says it has 34. As you can see, there's rubric generator, multiple choice quiz creator, lesson creator, and all of these are free. It even has the figure of speech generators. So I would very much like to test these out, but in the interest of time and working with just the essay grader, I'm going to take a look at these two, the rubric generator and the essay grader. So for the rubric generator, oh, before I forget, as you can see, there's this program, the free version is loaded with ads. In order to hide all the ads, you need to buy or subscribe to the Premium Pro membership. So let's go ahead and get started, see what we can come up with. So I'm going to do 6th grade rubric. Subject is English, language, arts. Standard or the objective, write an argumentative essay. Assignment title, maybe pit bulls. Hold on just a second. Should people be allowed to keep pit bulls? No. I also have Grammarly loaded, so if I intentionally or unintentionally misspell something. See? Now, pit bulls. Oh my goodness. Should people be allowed to keep pit bulls as pets? So I did not pick this topic. It was just in that 6th grade persuasive argumentative essay. Assignment description, write an essay in support of or in what's the in support of or against keeping pit bulls as pets. And then I'll say 1 to 4 as the grading scale. Let's see what this can come up with. Oh, there you go. So, gives you all these um, feedback that we normally use in grading scales. So you have exceeds, meets, approaches, fails, and these are the criteria. Claim, evidence, reasoning. So this comes up as a very as a standard from based on its own library. But if you have the paid subscription, I think you can even upload a rubric into your ClassX classroom. And it doesn't look like I can use this rubric to go to the next step, which is grading the essay. So let's go back to grading the dashboard and grade the essay. And I'll go ahead and copy and paste. Once again, this is the free version, so I'm not able to upload files into the program. So it's going to be a text and or copy and paste here. So I am all over the place. So this is all what's included. I'm going to go ahead and keep this as a paragraph. So I'm not sure if the AI prompt or if the AI can detect paragraphs. Depends on the training. So going 6th grade, English, language, arts. So as you can see, it's pretty quick. Grade the essay. So we're giving it started at 34. And this is what whoa. So in 10 seconds, I got my results back. And it gave me a score of 15 out of 20. And this is the feedback that this student received. funny enough, this student's essay is actually scored at a 3. So, the accuracy of Class X is right on point for grading this essay. And without using Oakdale's rubric, it's very it's fascinating to see how this is the standard that this program has, and fairly it's fairly accurate to what the teacher scored this essay. So so it has considerations for improving, and overall I feel really great about this program. Now, let's go to what else is included if you have a premium subscription. If you have a premium subscription, you can input rubrics like your rubric source if you uploaded one, have minimum word counts as you can see, and and the question of scalability, you can grade up to 10 essays at once. So I'm not sure how fast, how quickly that essay or those 10 essays will get graded, but this one took 10 seconds to grade. Yeah, this one took 10 seconds to grade. So instead of taking maybe 5 to 10 minutes to grade this paper, you can get this paper graded. Just be the human in the loop in AI and verify the feedback. Now, unfortunately, what I would like to see in this program is that it does not mark the paper itself. Something that I would like to see for any like grammatical, punctuation, or any errors or well-written sentences. So even this portion of it, it doesn't look like it was done on this paper itself. So this is what I would like to see. Just that's just a personal opinion. So overall, the results from the grading process of Class X is pretty good. Um, it gives you fairly robust, impartial, and content-driven feedback, and it's very specific to the essay itself. Let's take a look at this feedback right here, where it says keep pit bulls, work on organizing the paper, consider revising the conclusion to summarize main points and reiterate the importance of allowing pit bulls as pets. So this is very specific to this essay, and that's what AI does, is that you give it the prompt and it will tell you what you need to know. So the paid version includes a rubric source, essay summary, grade, how the essay scored against the rubric, and overall, I'm very impressed with this product, this Class X. So as you can see, we took a look at the accuracy of the product itself, and it pointed out using it was on point on grading and scoring this as a 3 based, and this matches with the teacher's grade of 3 from the Oakdale Unified Oakdale Joint Unified School District. It's also very simple to use with self-explanatory text, file, and other input options. As for scalability, going back to the premium Subscription, you can batch 10 essays at a time. And finally, for the cost, the premium subscription is currently at $72 a year. Let me go back to the pricing. That's not what I was looking for. Didn't want my face to get pasted on this video. Alright, let's go. So, $72 a year, and this is what you get for premium, and this is what you get for pro for $152 a year. So, it's very dependent on what you feel as a teacher you can use out of this program, their paid version. But as you can see, you can upload and manage media, create interactive exercises, even have AI images to include into your presentation with your custom-made um, lesson plans. So before I sign out, I'll give you some time to take a look at all the features of the free, the premium, and the pro. Thank you very much, everyone, for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot about AI and what the next frontier of education can look like based on the tools that are available for us to use. And I hope you were able to take a lot out of this and pretty much iron out the worries about what tools are out there for helping you teach and become more effective educators. So in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and do CoGrader and Essay Grader. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out in 3, 2, 1. Bye.